I'm going to explore the enduring influence of Greek mythology in modern culture. These ancient myths, more than just old tales, continue to shape our art, literature, and even our understanding of the world. Greek mythology, a rich tapestry of gods, heroes, and monsters, has been a source of inspiration for centuries. Its themes of heroism, adventure, and the human condition resonate deeply, influencing countless works of literature. For example, the epic tales of Hercules and Odysseus have been retold in numerous forms, from classical paintings to modern movies. Moreover, Greek mythology extends its influence beyond the arts. It has shaped modern language, with many English words and expressions originating from these ancient stories. Additionally, these myths have provided a framework for understanding human psychology, notably through the work of Freud and Jung. Space exploration is a testament to human curiosity and technological advancement. From peering into the stars with early telescopes to landing rovers on Mars, this journey illustrates our relentless pursuit to understand the cosmos. The story of space exploration began with early astronomers like Galileo, who used telescopes to observe celestial bodies. This marked the beginning of a new era in understanding our universe. Fast forward to the 20th century, when the launch of Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, ignited the space race, leading to remarkable milestones including the historic Apollo moon landing in 1969. In recent years, space exploration has entered a new frontier with missions to Mars. Rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance have been exploring the Martian surface, searching for signs of past life and paving the way for future human missions. These rovers represent incredible feats of engineering and symbolize our ongoing quest to explore the unknown.
In this lecture, I am thrilled to discuss the evolution of renewable energy and its critical role in shaping a sustainable future. Our journey towards renewable energy sources marks a significant shift in how we approach environmental sustainability and energy consumption. Renewable energy, derived from natural processes that are constantly replenished, includes solar, wind, hydroelectric, and geothermal power. Unlike fossil fuels, these energy sources emit little to no greenhouse gases, making them crucial in combating climate change. For example, solar panels convert sunlight into electricity without pollution, offering a clean alternative to traditional energy sources. The shift to renewable energy is not just an environmental imperative but also an economic opportunity. The renewable energy sector is rapidly growing, creating jobs, and driving technological innovation. It's a pathway to a more sustainable economy and energy independence. The evolution of renewable energy represents a pivotal moment in our history.
Today, I'm thrilled to share insights into the mysterious and largely unexplored deep ocean. This vast and enigmatic part of our planet holds secrets that scientists are only beginning to understand. The deep ocean is home to some of the most unusual and fascinating creatures. These species have adapted to extreme conditions of darkness, cold, and high pressure. For instance, the anglerfish, with its bioluminescent lure, is a testament to the unique adaptations required for survival in such an environment. Furthermore, the deep sea plays a crucial role in our planet's health. It's a major carbon sink, helping to regulate the Earth's climate. The deep-sea ecosystems also contribute to the cycling of nutrients, essential for supporting life both in the ocean and on land. In conclusion, the deep ocean is not just a place of darkness and mystery, it's a vital part of our world, with profound implications for environmental science and biology. As we continue to explore these depths, we unlock more of Earth's hidden wonders.
I want to focus on the critical role each of us plays in sustainable living and environmental conservation. As global environmental issues like climate change and pollution escalate, individual actions have never been more important. One key area is our daily choices. By opting for environmentally friendly products, reducing waste, and conserving energy, we contribute to a healthier planet. For example, choosing to bike or walk instead of driving reduces carbon emissions, and opting for reusable items over single-use plastics helps decrease pollution. Moreover, awareness and education play a significant role. Understanding the impact of our actions on the environment motivates us to make more sustainable choices. This knowledge can also be spread within our communities, leading to a collective effort towards environmental conservation. Every small action counts in the fight against environmental degradation. By adopting sustainable practices in our daily lives,